People in property management deal with a lot: rents, inspections, maintenance, and regulations, to name a few. When it comes to budgets, water and sewer bills are the biggest utility expense and a high percentage of a property's operating cost. So, how can you lower water use at your building? In 3 easy steps: understanding the bill, checking the systems, and taking water-saving actions. Step 1. Figure out how much water you're using and whether it's a reasonable amount. You can do this by looking at your water and sewer bills. How is water measured? Water bills are usually measured in 100 cubic feet or in gallons. 100 cubic feet, or CCF, equals 748 gallons. How is water usage charged? Every city and town in Massachusetts sets their own water and sewer rates. Some cities use flat rates. In others, the price rises as you use more. How many bills do you get a year? Usually 4 bills, but some cities like Boston bill every month. How do you know what's reasonable for your building? The most common metric is gallons per bedroom per day. So if 108,000 gallons were used over the last billing period, and there were 90 days in the billing period, then your building used 1,200 gallons of water per day. You have 10 bedrooms in your building, so the building used 120 gallons per bedroom per day. A healthy average is around 60 gallons per bedroom per day, so we've got work to do. If your building is metered through a benchmarking tool or a remote monitoring system, such as WeGoWise of Energy Scorecard, this information is already being tracked. Boston Water and Sewer has great resources on their website. Find a link to your meter data on a BW&S bill. So, where are the places you can reduce your building's water use? Let's go to step number 2, checking the systems. Determine the source of your building's high water use. In addition to toilets, faucets, showers, and laundry, many building systems use water to operate HVAC or irrigation systems. Any of these sources could be the cause, whether because of high consumption, aging equipment, or a leak. First, start with the easy stuff, like testing your toilets. Toilets are often the main problem, but you won't always see a puddle on the floor. Instead, water trickles from the tank down the drain, making it difficult to spot. Dye tablets are a great way to test for leaks. Place a blue dye tablet or even food coloring into the toilet tank. In a few minutes, check the bowl for color. If you see color, then the toilet is leaking and needs to be repaired or replaced. Once you're in a unit, you'll want to test shower heads and faucets. The fixture flow can be tested using a flow meter bag. Place the bag underneath the fixture. Turn the faucet fully open for 5 seconds. Then remove the bag of water and turn the faucet off. The bag water level will show the fixture flow rate. The EPA WaterSense website is full of low-flow fixture guidance. Cooling towers or other HVAC systems can also leak. Check for any visible leaks or high float levels, and look for junk that might be clogging the system. You can also consult your abatement meter. An abatement meter is a city-approved meter that measures water that does not go down the drain. This amount of water is then free of sewer charges, which can be a huge savings. Check the abatement meter for leaks in your systems. If everything is shut off and the meter is still turning, you might have a leak. If you don't have an abatement meter, talk to your city's water department. Step 3, take action. Fix any problems your team finds. Congratulations! Your building is on the path to less expensive water bills. Set a reminder to track water usage regularly and keep a record of the successes you've had as a team.